Most business owners aren't broke. They're choked. There's one choke point in your company. One place where everything slows down. One place where decisions stack up. One place where pressure builds. One place where cash is tight. One place where your team waits. And most of the time, it's the most capable person in the room. You. Because it all routes through you. Because if you don't step in, it stalls. Because the final decision lands on your desk. Because you built it. But here's the truth. Growth should create flow, not dependency. If everything speeds up when you're involved and slows down when you step away, you're not leading a scalable company. You're managing a choke point. I help business owners trapped in firefighting find that one choke point causing chaos and cash stress and fix the flow. When flow is fixed, pressure drops, clarity returns, cash stabilizes, and your company can grow without you. If this resonates, comment flow or message me directly, and I'll send you the game plan. Honor God, increase profit, build a business that outlives you. Bam!